Hello friends, welcome back to another video of this channel. Within this video, we will do unboxing and review of CableCreation Type C to HDMI cable. First, let's unbox the cable. This kind of packaging we have from the CableCreation. At the top, we have a specification written: Type C to HDMI cable with HDR support, 4K 60Hz refresh rate, 1.8 meter or 6 feet length. Let me take out the cable so I can show you the exact quality of the cable. This is the HDMI port of the cable and its complete metal build. I am trying to show you a cable in the best possible way. Another side port is Type C. I have purchased a 90-degree angled cable so it will fit properly within my Macbook. This also has a metal body cover. You will get braided cable and the quality of the complete cable is really good, though you are paying a really high amount for this cable. After waiting for a few weeks to get the best price on this cable, I finally purchased this at 1200 INR and in US dollar it's 15. Now let me plug the cable within my MacBook Air M1 and LG 4K monitor. As I am showing, the Type C port I have connected within the MacBook and HDMI side of the port I have connected within my 4K monitor. Overall, my setup I am showing you within the screen. Now, let me show you the quality of the output we get through the CableCreation cable. Result is really crisp and clear. I have not seen this kind of clarity before. I have purchased the 4K monitor, but up to now I was using it in 1080p resolution. Now I am viewing it in actual 4K resolution. Text quality looks really good compared to a normal 1080p monitor, and I am trying to show you in the best possible way. Now let me show you the display settings. By default it's set to default resolution, that is 1080p HDPI and at 60Hz refresh rate. 1080p HDPI means you can consider it as a retina display. The content remains readable, but every pixel will get drawn with double pixels. I am showing you other resolutions that are possible to apply. For testing purpose, I have set a 4K resolution and you are seeing everything become too small, and in real life you are not able to work with this resolution settings. In every possible resolution settings you will get 60Hz. That is the main reason why I have purchased this cable. I already have an OWC travel dock, but it can get a maximum output of 30Hz at 4K resolution, and everything becomes jittery at this refresh rate. But with this cable, I am able to get 60Hz in all possible ways, so it fulfills my expectations. Don't forget to watch the video till the end, because at last I will show you which one issue I noticed with this cable. With other Type C hub, I heard about heating issues when you are transferring 4K data, but with this cable you will not face this kind of issue. Obviously, you will face heat, but not too much. If the device is not heating, then it will work for a longer time. One bonus thing that we are getting through this cable is HDR support. It will immerse your viewing experience, and this will become useful in gaming and video watching. You will have a next level experience. Through the camera, I can't record the actual output of the screen, but overall you can notice that everything will become brighter now. It's amazing. I don't have words to say for this output. See the text quality and how crisp it is. Now we are in the last part of this video, and let me tell you one issue that I noticed with this cable. Sometimes I unplug the cable and reattach it and turn on the monitor screen. At that time I was not able to get 60Hz refresh rate as I am showing you within the screen. Within the 1080p HDPI, I am only able to get 25Hz refresh rate. When the first time this happened, I got shocked because this is my second attempt to achieve a 60Hz within 4K resolution. Within the normal 1080p resolution, I am able to get 60Hz as like I am showing you within the screen, but text content started looking blurry. To solve this issue, I have detached the Type C port of the cable and attached it again. Now the issue is solved. I started getting 60Hz refresh rate in 4K resolution. This kind of thing has happened to me multiple times when I detached the Type C port from the Macbook, but after the reconnection it got sorted. Let me disconnect and connect the cable again, and this kind of issue does not happen always. So that is it for this video about cable creation cable, and I have tried to clear other aspects related to 4K resolution as well, because mostly people will buy this cable who have MacBook and a 4K monitor. I have tried to cover mostly all aspects which I didn't find at purchase time of this cable, and I have posted so many comments and questions at different places. If you like this content, then you can like this video, and for similar kind of technical and gaming related content you can subscribe to the channel. Bye, we will meet in another video.